In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Fortnite lobby music. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option of completely disabling the music that plays while you are in any lobby for Fortnite. There are two main ways to do this. The first one is going to be through the settings. So you click on your icon, or you go over here and you use a specific button to open this menu, and then you go to the settings. Switch over to the audio tab, which should be the second one on the top, and you will find the music slider. So this, like I said, is the first option to disable it. However, if you disable this option, meaning if you set this to 0, this is also going to disable music in other parts of the game. So even though this will work if you want to disable the lobby music, other parts and other aspects will also be affected. So keep that in mind. All that you have to do here is apply, and the lobby music will be gone. But if you don't want to use this method because you want to have music playing in other parts of Fortnite, then what you have to do is go over to your locker, and in here you have plenty of options at the left: character, emotes, raps, lobby, and this is the one that we're looking for. So either keep going all the way down or find the lobby option at the left. When you go to lobby, you will have the banner icon, then music, and all that you have to do is disable it. So let's say, for example, I had this gem equipped, so my music would be here. All that I have to do now is click on it and then click on the X. Doing this will make sure that the lobby music is empty, meaning that nothing will be playing while you are in the lobby. So either choose between disabling it for the entirety of the game through the standard settings, or go over to your locker and disable it from here. Regardless of which option you pick, this will essentially make the lobby music go away. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Fortnite lobby music. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.